Welcome, today in front of me Blackview A90, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first we should get the Ampere app from Play Store application. That's why here enter the Ampere into the search bar and then tap here to install. After that, just wait a couple of seconds while application installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app, click yes I agree, pick close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. And then you can see here the section with the health of our device battery. In my case, that's good. Also here we can find more info like the battery level, device temperature, battery temperature, capacity, voltage, device model, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.